Jjwan, very handsome guy. Thank you.
Kim Seok-jin's charisma is truly undeniable. Jin is always in the spotlight wherever he is, including when standing in a row with the members. In BTS, there is not a single visual that it's not perfect. Everything is perfect. However, Jin as the king of visuals is really highlighted, not because it's been made up for exaggerated, it's just the way it is. Even bare-faced portraits are really expensive for an idol. When on stage, many ARMY admitted that they were looking at Seok-jin. If members are curious about whatever style they wear, ARMY was more curious about whatever ideas Jin presented. At the BTS concert in 2018, BTS appeared wearing all white. Starting from the appearance of Jin's forehead in the final segment of the concert, it made the entire ARMY excited. Initially, he styled his hair as usual comma hair, but at the end of the segment, BTS actually applied a hairspray to Jin's hair so that his forehead was clearly visible. ARMY really liked this. Jin even blushed because ARMY called him Papi because of that look. This made Jin laugh embarrassedly, even though at first he acted stupid as if he didn't hear he couldn't stand it. The original audio from this clip is often used by solo Stan to put the sound of Papi Jin into their biased videos. Looks like they don't want to lose. The power of Papi Jin.
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정. 야, so fun. Okay, bye bye.